Hi, welcome to all. This is Bonala Srinivas. Once again, I request you to all, please do subscribe my channel and please give me your support. By your support, I will give my level best. Okay? Let us go with our problems. Our first problem is, if mod A equals to mod B equals to 4 and the A comma B equals to pi by 6, that means angle between A and B is the pi by 6, 30 degrees. Okay, then modulus of A cross B whole square equals to what? Options are 16, 2, 7, 7, 5, 36. Okay, so actually A cross B equals to what? A cross B equals to mod A and mod B and sine into sine A comma B. Yes or no? Here we have square, so that's why here square it is a square. Okay, let mod A square equals to 2 square is nothing but 4, B square is nothing but 16. Now sine A comma B is a sine pi by 6, sine square pi by 6. Then it is a 4 16 is a 64 into sine square pi by 6 is a sine 30 is a 1 by 2 whole square. Then 64 into 1 by 4, again it is a 16, 4 16 is a 64, that is a 16. Now our option is first one. Okay, and okay, let us go with the second one. If A equals to 2i plus 2j plus k, B equals to 5i plus j plus 2k, then A cross B whole square plus A dot B whole square equals to what? Actually, this is nothing but formula. A cross B whole square plus A dot B whole square equals to mod A square into mod B square. Okay, then mod A square equals to, already we have square, so that is no need to take a square root. It is a 2 square. 2 square means 4 plus 4 plus 1. It is a 2 square plus 1 and into B square. Here 5 square. 25 plus 1 square is a 1 plus 2 square is nothing but 4. Okay, then that equals to 9 into, now what, 30. Okay, then that equals to 270. Our option is first one. Okay, so more problems. The question is, A comma B are such that mod A equals to root 3, mod B equals to 2 and A comma B equals to pi by 3. Then the area of the triangle with adjacent sides A plus 2B and 2A plus B is what? In given 5 root 3, 15, 9 by 2, 15 by 2. Okay, actually the area of the triangle whose adjacent sides A and B is a delta equals to half into A cross B, actually the formula. But what about A and B? Okay, substitute here. Then delta equals to half into A plus 2B cross 2A plus B. Okay, after simplification, actually we have to find A plus 2B and 2A plus B separately, but their vectors are not given, so that's why we can taking like this. Okay, then A cross 2A, here 2 into A cross A, yes or no, plus A into A means A into means cross, A cross B is A cross B, plus 2B cross 2A means 4 A cross B cross A. Okay, now plus 2B cross B, 2B cross B. Okay, in vectors A cross B equals to not a B cross A, remember it is not a normal product, these are the cross product. Okay, so A dot B equals to B dot A. Okay, but A cross B not a B cross A, remember. Okay, and then write in order. So like this, A cross B, B cross is a B cross A, not only A cross B. Okay, then it is a cross A, the cross product of same vector should be 0, so it is a 0, so it is a cross B, then 4 B cross A means minus of 4 A cross B, yes or no? Okay, now direction was changed. Okay, let plus it is a 0, then that equals to half. Now it is nothing but minus 3 A cross B, also can written as 3 by 2 A cross B. Okay, Now let us go with the formula 3 by 2. A cross B is nothing but mod A mod B and sine of A comma B. Then what about sine of A comma B? Sine of A comma B is nothing but sine pi by 3. It should be root 3 by 2. Okay, substitute here 3 by 2, mod A is a root 3 and it is a 2, B is a 2, it is a root 3 by 2. Okay, 2 get cancelled. Now 3 into root 3 is a 3, 9 by. Okay, our option is 9 by 2, third option. Okay, let us go with the next one. If mod A equals to 2, mod B equals to 7 and A cross B equals to 3i plus 2j plus 6k, then what about A comma B? Find the angle between A and B. Okay, options are 30, 60, 45, 75. How to find the angle? They are given moduluses and magnitudes and also given cross. When cross one is given, so let us take sin theta. Sine of A comma B, sin theta equals to. If dot product is there, then we can taking cos 1, cos A comma B. Remember, for cross sine, for dot cos. Okay, sin A comma B equals to A cross B by, remember, A cross B by mod A cross B. Okay, sin of A comma B equals to, sin of A comma B equals to mod of A cross B by mod A mod B. Okay, this is a formula, same formula like this. A cross B equals to what? Mod A mod B sin A comma B equals to mod A cross B by mod A mod B. Okay, then what about that? A cross B equals to what? Okay, now this is nothing but under root 9, 4, 16. Okay, by mod A 2 is a 7, B is a 7. Okay, now it is nothing but 16 plus 4, 20, 29. Okay, please check one second. It is nothing but 6 square. Sorry, it is a 36. So under root 49 by 2 into 7, 14. Okay, so it is nothing but 7 by 14. 7 ones are 7 twos are. Okay, 1 by 2. 1 by 2 in sines, sine 30. Yes or no? Then sine of A comma B equals to sine 30. Then A comma B equals to, the angle equals to 30 degrees. Okay, our first option. Okay, let us go with the next one. If box of A plus 2B, 2B plus C, 5C plus A equals to K into box of ABC, then what about K? K value is what? Okay, 2, 4, 8, 12. Okay, let us go with our solution. Actually, box of A plus 2B, 2B plus C, 5C plus A, box is nothing but the determinant of the quotients of I, J, K actually, but here we have in terms of A, B, C. Okay, that's why here we can taking like this. A plus 2B, A quotient is a 1, B quotient is a 2, C quotient is not there, so that's why 0. Here also the for second vector we have here 0, 2, 1, and for the third vector 5, sorry, not 5, C quotient is a 5, A quotient is a 1, B quotient is a 0. Okay, when A, B, C are in there, so that's why here we can take box of E, B, C. Okay, actually we can taking IJK quotients, but given not in IJK, yes or no. Okay, that's why we can taking like this. So now here equals to K of ABC, box of ABC. Okay, box of ABC, box of ABC cut. Then K equals to determinant of given, yes or no. So let simplification. 1 into what? 1 into 10 minus 0 minus 2 into 0 minus 1. So plus 0 into it is a 0, that's why it is a totally, that is a 0. So 10 minus plus 2 10 plus 2 is a 12. K equals to 12. Okay, our option is fourth one. Okay, let us go with next one. Volume of tetrahedron with vertices at 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, 0, 0, 1. Okay, vectors are given in, okay, in points form. Okay, actually the volume of tetrahedron equals to 1 by 6th of box of ABC when vectors are ABC, 3 vectors are, but here 4 vectors are given, so that's why we can say it is a OA, it is a OB, and it is a OC, and it is a OD. Okay, when 4 vectors are given, so we can take like this: AB, AC, AD. Okay, converted to the 4 into 3 vectors. Okay, like this. Then cubic units. Okay, for this problem we have 1 by 6th of AB, AC, AD. Then taking direct 1 by 6th of determinant of AB. What about AB? AB means OB minus OA, OB. 1 minus 0 is a 1, 0 minus 0, 0, and 0 minus 0, 0. Okay, 1, 0, 0. Okay, let AC, C minus OC minus OA, OC minus OA. Similarly, 0, actually these are all 0 sets are, no? So that's why you can take direct 0, 1, 0. Now similarly 0, 0, 1. Okay, 1, 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, 0, 0, 1. This is nothing but identity matrix. Okay, determinant of identity matrix should be 1, yes or no? So 1 by 6 into 1, that is a 1 by 6 cubic units. Okay, now these are in 1 by 6, 1 by 4 cubic units, 1 by 3, 1 by 2 cubic units. Okay, our option is first one. Okay, I hope you can understand problems. The shortest distance between the lines r equals to I plus 2j plus 3k plus s into 2i plus 3j plus 4k, r equals to 2i plus 4j plus 5k plus t into 3i plus 4j plus 5k. Okay, is what? 1 by 6 or 1 by root 6, 1 by 3, 1 by root. Okay, actually the shortest distance between the skew lines means, already we discussed it in previous videos. The shortest distance between skew lines, these are not a parallel, and also these are not a intersected. Okay, skew lines like this. Okay, skew lines, these are not a parallel, and also these are not a intersect. Actually the lines are nothing but parallel or intersected, but skew lines are not meet at any point. Okay, like this, not a parallel, okay, and also not intersected. Okay, so we can take in the shortest distance like this. The shortest distance between two lines r equals to a plus tb, okay, and r equals to c plus st. Here t and s are parameters, any parameters. Okay, let r equals to, it is like this, same a and b, it is c and d, s t. Okay, whatever may be. So these are constants, leave that. Okay, now the shortest distance between sd equals to ab and cd are given. So here we can take in like this: box of r modulus of a minus c dot b cross d, okay, by modulus of b cross d. Okay, units. This is the formula for shortest distance. Distance is always positive. Okay, here also we can take c minus a, that is also correct. And also this formula can be written as like this: box of a minus c b d okay, by B cross D, and also we can write like this. Okay, so we can taking this one. First of all, B cross D equals to what? B cross D equals to first vector of B cross D, B cross D I j k, then B D. Here questions are 2 3 4 and 3 4 5. Okay, then I into what? Let us do direct because of these are the bits. So 15 minus 16 minus 1 minus I minus j 10 minus 12, so minus 2 plus 2j plus k, 8 minus 9 minus k. Okay, this is a B cross D vector. So modulus of B cross D equals to, okay, it's a magnitude, so that's why under root 1 plus 4 plus 1, yes or no? So under root 6, leave that. We need A minus C also, A minus C. Then what about A minus C? A minus C or C minus A. Okay, so doing 1 minus 2. 1 minus 2 is a minus I minus 2j minus 2k. Okay, then is the A minus C. We need A minus C dot B cross D, dot product of both. Okay, minus I into minus I, minus 1 into minus 1, simply that is a plus 1, plus 2 into minus 2, minus 4, minus 1 into minus 2, minus 1 into minus 2 is a plus 2. Okay, 1 plus 3 minus 1, that is a minus 3, minus 4 is a minus 1. Okay, so actually this is a modulus of, so modulus of means that equals to 1. Okay, now substitute here, then SD equals to what? SD equals to, the numerator should be 1 and denominator is the root 6. Okay, 1 by root 6 units. Second option is correct. Okay, now next one, ninth one. If box of ABC equals to 1, then A dot B cross C by C cross A dot B, B dot C cross A by A cross B dot C plus C dot A cross B by B cross C dot A. Okay, then that equals 3, 1, minus 1, 0. Options are what? Okay, actually we can following two systems are here, right handed system and left handed system. ABC. Okay, so after A we will get B, actually, yes or no? Now this is called right handed system. After B, C, after C, A. Okay, so here A dot B cross C equals to, it is called dot scalar triple product, dot and cross product. So this is nothing but box of ABC. Okay, so plus, now this is nothing but by C cross A dot B, CAB. Okay, and it is a BCA. Okay, by ABC plus here CAB by BCA. Okay, now by the right handed system, ABC equals to BCA equals to CAB, remember. Okay, so ABC equals to CAB, yes or no? CAB, so it is a definitely cancel 1 plus BCA equals to also ABC, it is also be a 1, then CAB equals to BCA, CAB. Okay, 1 second. Okay, A dot B cross C, ABC, the CAB. Okay, BCA. Okay, now BC is a, this is the correct way, BCA. Okay, so it is a ABC. Okay, two are correct. CAB, then BCA. Okay, these also, these all are in the right handed system, so this is also be 1, 1 plus 1 plus 1 equals to 3. Okay, suppose these are in the line ACB. After A we have B actually, but here C, so that's why here we can write box of ABC. Okay, so that's why now these are equals to each other. Now these are cancelled, 1 plus 1 plus 1 equals to 3. Okay, now our option is first. Okay, let us do more problem. The problem number is 9. Actually, numbers are wrong. Okay, that is nothing matter. The vectors I plus 4j plus 6k, 2i plus 4j plus 3k and I plus 2j plus 3k form right-handed system, left-handed system, cannot be decided orthogonal triad. Okay, let us do. Actually, we done in previous one already we discussed about that A, B, C. Okay, suppose after A, B, B after B, C and after C, A. This is called right-handed system, yes or no? Then the box of A, B, C should be, the box of A, B, C should be greater than 0. Okay, is called right-handed system. If box of A, B, C less than 0 is called, already we done like that, box of A, B, C is less than 0, then that is called left-handed system. Okay, so you can take in 3 vectors like this. Determinant of box of A, B, C nothing but determinant, yes or no? This is nothing but suppose A, this is suppose B, this is suppose C. Then box of A, B, C equals to 1, 4, 6, 2, 4, 3 and 1, 2, 3. Okay, equals to what? Okay, so 1 into 12 minus 6 is a 6, minus 4 into 6 minus 3 is a 3, plus 6 into 4 minus 4 is a 0. Then it is a 6 minus 4 into 3, 12 equals to minus 6. This is a less than 0. Box of ABC should be less than 0. Okay. Now the system is left-handed system. Now our option is second one. Okay. Let us go with the next one, last one. Determinant of A dot A, A dot B, A dot C, B dot A, B dot B, B dot C, C dot A, C dot B, C dot C equals to 0. Then A plus B, B plus C, C plus C are. What are those? Coplanars, non-coplanar, unit vectors, mutually perpendicular. Okay. So now the determinant of this one is nothing but what? Actually box of ABC is nothing but box of ABC equals to 0. Okay. Already we have this one. So then what about this? Suppose the box of A plus B, B plus C and C plus A equals to, now shall I take like this, 2 into box of ABC, yes or no? Okay, box of A plus B, B plus C, C plus A equals 2 into box of ABC, then that equals to 2 into 0, so that is nothing but 0. Okay, box of A plus B, B plus C, C plus A is a 0. If box of ABC are 0 is a 0, then ABC are coplanar. So here also box of A plus B, B plus C and C plus A is a 0, then A plus B, B plus C, C plus A are nothing but coplanar. So our option is first one. These are the very important methods. For each method you can practice number of problems. Okay, once again I am telling, for each method is important, not only problem, method is important. Okay, if you like this video, please comment on comment box and also share it. Please, thank you so much.